Hello, good morning. Yesterday, I got a little too busy as I normally do with this computer programming stuff. I usually get a little too distracted and I don't get to this, but today I'm going to tell you what I did yesterday. Yesterday, what I ended up doing was setting up Claude code in my IDE. And what I'm going to have it do for me is I'm going to have it help me pass my tests because tests get a little tedious and it takes a little while for them to all pass correctly, especially when you're doing end to end tests. And that's where I'm at right now, at least in the resolution of trying to get my project with this feature done. I'm in the testing phase, making sure everything works from end to end. And I I just couldn't get my tests to pass. So I'm trying a different approach. I'm going to have Claude Code give me a synopsis of where the tests are not passing. And that's what I did yesterday. I set it up so that I essentially copied over an entire project folder, the exact setup and everything. And then I had a Claude Code agent make some new discoveries and write them down for me. And it wrote it down all in a markdown file. And I'm excited to look through it all today. I briefly skimmed it over yesterday, and it essentially told me the reason the tests were not passing is because I have a rate limiter that was being overly utilized when running these end to end tests. So I'm going to look into that further today, but I at least have a better idea than if I were to have just copied and pasted the code over and again because it was unrelated as to what I thought the problem was. So I'm excited to learn this new piece of news thanks to Claude Code.